Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, we're going to have a quick look at what you can expect to see from this channel in the coming weeks and months. So make sure you subscribe if there's anything you see that you like. We're going to compare a cheap RC car to an expensive RC car. We're going to jump these things, speed test, and in the end, we might smash them into each other head on. I'm going to be expanding my Bitcoin mining operation, and we've got the newly modified Traxxas Slash that we've got to put through its paces. We've got the MIP shafts, we've got the Flowtech body. Well, we're going to air this thing out and see how much punishment it can take. We've also got the Savage and the Mad Force, which are both nitros. I've not had much nitro on this channel up until now, but we will. We will soon, guys. I've also got some figure inflatable tyres coming up so we can see what they look like when they're mounted to the Slash and other RC cars. And then we got more toy engines. We got the jet turbines. We got the piston engines. And we're going to be putting some more gas through them. And we're going to see if we can make them run even better, even more flames and even more flying parts. So that's going to be epic, guys. I can't wait.
Oh my god! What the fuck? What's going? Oh!
I've got two new RC cars coming, the E-Revo 2.0 and the Traxxas Ultimate Desert Racer. Here in the UK, everything takes a little bit longer to get here. So the minute they land in the UK, they're going to be here with me. We're going to be putting them things through their paces. We're going to be hitting the BMX track. We're going to be hitting the skate park. We're going to be up the heath. We're going to be airing these things out. We're going to see exactly how tough these things are. Oh!
I fell over!
I might get some armours. I don't know. People keep telling me in the comments, get an armour, get an armour. They're better than Traxxas, get an armour. But I don't know. I don't know if they're going to go bust. I don't know what's happening there. So if they stick about, yes, definitely I'm going to get myself a couple of armours. But if it's going to be hard getting parts, then I don't know. We'll see what happens. I've still got this monster truck to finish off at the moment. It's still a bare chassis. But, boys, these things aren't cheap to build. And I'm saving up for this, and I'm spending money on other businesses and other things. And I've really got to start focusing to get this truck built. So the plan is to get it done this year. I'm going to try my hardest, guys. I mean, I really want to get this thing going. I'm going to do a few shows with this thing in the UK. Then the plan is to ship it over to America and take part in the Monster Jam there. I'm also stepping it up a little bit in the camera department. I've got a brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 coming. That should be here tomorrow. And as a lot of you know, I do most of my filming when I'm filming RC cars with a phone mounted to my transmitter. And the trouble is with the S7 that I've been using up until now, low light isn't that great. When it starts getting a little bit darker in the woods, the picture quality starts to suffer. And apparently that new phone should give us a lot better picture quality and also some higher frame rates, which should give us some better slow motion. Also, I've just got myself a GoPro Hero 6 and that thing's pretty good, and you'll be able to see some shots like this and stuff like that. And as I get better with it, and definitely, guys, the quality of these videos should just get better and better and better. I've recently got myself a new drone, and this one's a DJI Mavic Air. And the good thing is with this, guys, it's so small I can just stick it in my bash sack. And talking of bash sacks, I've got a brand new bash sack here. It's a lot bigger than the old one, which means I can carry a lot more gear. And the good thing is, I'm not going to look like a girl, because my old bash sack was my sister's old school bag, and it made me look like a bit of a pansy, but I don't know, I don't really care what people think.
But at least now I can look cool!
Also, I want to do some more water crossings when the weather warms up in the summer. I've got the Slash, I've got the Rustler, I've got the Buggy, I've got the X-maxx, got the UDR coming, got the E-Revo 2.0 coming, and I've got paddle tyres for pretty much all of them. Well, for the Ultimate Desert Racer I have, and if I can find a set of paddles for it, we'll be doing the crossing. So we've got all that lot coming up in the summer, guys. Also, we're getting close to 60,000 subscribers. Guys, really appreciate that. I appreciate every single one of you subscribers. And hopefully, well, my plan for this year was to get to 100,000 subscribers. So guys, if you like my channel, if you like my content, if you want to see any of this stuff coming up,
you know what you gotta do.
I've dug my little electric helicopter out from under the bed, And this thing's actually quite a beast. It's only a TRX 450, but oh, it's got some power, guys. And we're going to get this thing out soon. We're going to be doing all the TikToks and the cutting the grass upside down, the loops flying around upside down and smashing the living crap out of this thing. We got this Lego Chinook helicopter and we're going to be powering this thing with a ripper motor. And we're going to see just how many RPMs this thing can take. There's probably going to be blades and gears and Legos everywhere. It's going to be epic. So alright guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, share the video. See you soon guys. Pew!